everybody, welcome back to Twister Sister Studios. I'm Holly, the Twister Sister. I've got another fun and cute Halloween design to show you guys today, so stay tuned, you're gonna love this one. All right, grab your pump and get 2 balloons. This design only requires an orange 260 and a yellow 260, but of course we can absolutely be extra and add more things onto here, but I want to show you the basics first and then show you how we can dress it up at the end. So let's get into it. I'm going to start with the orange 260. And yes, this is going to be a pumpkin. We've done a lot of pumpkins this season, but that's okay because they're very versatile and pumpkins are just perfect for this time of year. So good to go with anything. I've inflated this balloon and left about a 3 to 4 inch tail. And then we're also going to inflate our yellow 260. So I'm gonna do this one about 6 pumps on the good old, I've had this thing for years, hand pump. So go ahead and tie that off as well. You're going to want to tie these 2 balloons together. So just tie them together at the nozzle end. And it's up to you which one you want to do first. I think it's a little bit better to do the pumpkin first. So let's do that really quick. It's the same pumpkin that I taught earlier this year, I guess in September last month. The Elegant Pumpkin tutorial, which will be linked somewhere around here. And we're gonna go ahead and do our 4 bubbles for the pumpkin. And so if you want a very in-depth pumpkin tutorial, go check out the Elegant Pumpkins tutorial that I did a few weeks ago, and I explains more what I'm doing in each step. So we're making the sides of our pumpkin here, and then we're just gonna go down the front, pull it nice and tight and straight up the back. I've got the perfect amount. Oh my goodness. Lucky day, I should go play the lottery. All right, so there's our little pumpkin attached to our yellow 260. So the top part of this is very, very easy. We're gonna do a Pikachu head. So it's gonna be Pikachu coming out of a pumpkin. It's super adorable. Everyone loves Pikachu. My daughter really likes Pokemon, so we do actually play a little bit of Pokemon Go together from time to time. I know a thing or two about Pokemon now, but she's always teaching me new stuff. So on your yellow, we're gonna do about a 3 to 4 inch bubble for the first ear. Then we're gonna fold that down and make another bubble the same size. So you can just twist that balloon together. Get his 2 little ears sticking up out of the balloon there. And then we're gonna come towards the back with a spacer bubble. It's just a small round bubble there. Another small round bubble, so a bubble number 2. We're gonna pinch twist the number 2 bubble. All right, we're gonna take our remaining balloon. It's gonna come from the back there. We're gonna wrap it all the way around the front. And it's gonna come back into the back where our pinch twist is. So once you get back there, you're gonna twist that off and wrap it into your pinch twist. Okay, line them up so he's straight on top of the pumpkin. All right, that's what we have so far. It looks kind of like a little bunny rabbit too at this point. We want to give him a tail, and we've got plenty of yellow balloon left here to do that. Make sure that this is wrapped around your pinch twist really well, because we're going to break it off, and we're going to gently let this go. Release that and hold on to it for a second. And I'm going to let a little bit of air out of here, and then I'm going to kind of squish everything down towards the end of the balloon so it fills out the end of that balloon there. And then I'm gonna kind of loosely tie it off up here, not right on top of the air bubble, but close enough. I just want a little bit of wiggle room in here so that I can make a couple of pinch twists here. So I'm gonna push the air back down towards the part that I tied, and then as we make our pinch twist, it'll fill back out here and it'll be perfect. So first pinch twist, you want it to be just a little baby pinch twist, okay? So get your small round bubble, grab the knot, bring it down into that twist, wrap it around, okay? This pinch twist, we're gonna come in on the back of our sculpture here, and we're gonna tuck this pinch twist into the middle of our pumpkin. So maybe move this middle bubble over to the side. You're gonna place that pinch twist inside the pumpkin and just kind of wedge it in there with that little pinch twist that we made, okay? Now to get his tail positioned the way we want it on the outside here, we're gonna put another pinch twist. So once it comes out of the pumpkin, we're gonna make a small round bubble and make that a pinch twist. And that is going to give you control over which direction the tail faces, okay? So we want it to kind of be peeking out a little bit to the side, so when people are looking at him from the front, they see the tail. And then of course, we've got to give him the signature tail shape. He's an electric type, so we've got to do a little lightning bolt shape. So just bend your balloon back and forth like a Z or an S or a lightning bolt, and give it a little squeeze at the corners. Okay, and then you've got your nice little Pikachu tail shape. Isn't it so cute? Okay, so at this point, I'm going to draw the face on so you can see what it looked like now. And then we're going to add some other little finishing details and effects that you might want to do if you have the time. But this could be done just as a 2-balloon design, which is perfect for fall festivals and events, Halloween stuff where you have lots of people and you want to move through your line fast but still give your customers something that's cute and unique. This is the ticket. So I did the signature red circles for the cheeks first. I don't know why I always do the cheeks first on this guy, but I just happen to. And then we're going to do some black circles for the eyes, like that. And then I just do a little dot for a nose. He doesn't really have much of a nose. And then you can do whatever kind of mouth you want. So one thing that's fun to do is just a little upside down M. So that's an easy way to do a cute little mouth. And then if you want him to be a little more expressive, you can open that up by connecting both sides with a little U underneath the M. So that's an easy and fun way to do the mouth. You can color the mouth in with red as well. And then you've got that. Super adorable. And now what really finishes those off is some whites in the eyes. So get yourself a little Posca paint pen and put a couple little just white dots on those eyes for some highlights and shine. Look at how cute! Our little Pikachu pumpkin only uses 2 balloons. Great design for line work. And this is a perfect one. Again, anything with a pumpkin base, you've got to put it on a stick or something so that it's easier to hold, less chance of kids dropping and popping it. So wedge that stick up inside of the middle of the pumpkin so that people can walk around with this on a stick. It's easier for the parents to hold because we know they're the ones that are really going to be holding onto this for the rest of the event, right? But if you want to continue and make this even cuter, I want to show you a couple other modifications. So first up is if you get yourself 2 little yellow 260 pinch twists kind of connected together in the middle there, we can make it look like his little hands are kind of popping up over the pumpkin, okay? So I'm going to take these and we're going to put them on either side of this middle bubble on our pumpkin. So just take the one, pull that middle bubble out with your other fingers and slide one of these through with your thumb. And then you can kind of position them where you think they look the cutest. So they can be kind of up high or down low. I think, up higher looks a little bit cuter, like he's just kind of popped his little paws up over the edge of the pumpkin. So that is one way to make this design 10 times cuter. If you want to go another extra step though, get yourself a black balloon and we're going to do black in place of this. In 3, 2, 1, go! And now, instead of these being little paws for Pikachu, they're eyes for your jack-o'-lantern. So we can draw a little face on our pumpkin as well, and I think it's really cute when the face on the pumpkin kind of imitates Pikachu's face. One other thing, I just realized I forgot to do the little black on his ears, so we're going to do that now. Ah, look at that. Isn't that adorable? So you got a little Pikachu face on top of a jack-o'-lantern pumpkin, which is also kind of got a little bit of a Pikachu face. So what I did on here was I just drew your jack-o'-lantern nose and I kind of copied the Pikachu mouth, but I just filled it in with black. We got the red circles for the cheeks on these two bubbles here. And then I did go with my white paint pen and I put some shine dots on the black balloons as well to make them look like cuter little black eyes. So it's a very friendly, cute, happy, non-scary pumpkin design for your Halloween events. I think it's adorable and I think kids are really gonna like it. Again, put it on a stick, put it on a headband, put it on their wrist so they don't drop it. The other thing you can do to just add a little bit more color if you want to, if you're maybe at a birthday party or a slower paced event and you have time, put this on a 6-petal green flower base. That looks really nicely as well, and we'll show you that. So that's what it looks like with the little flower petal base. So you can see there's a whole lot of ways you can modify this. It's kind of cute, like another stacking thing like we did last week with the skeleton and the pumpkin and the little witch's hat. And this week we've got this little stack with Pikachu on top. And I just think it's adorable and super cute. This with the flower base is perfect for little tabletop centerpieces or to go on top of candy cups as well. So if you're looking for some last minute Halloween deliverable ideas, do some of these, take some pictures, throw them up on social media, and you'll probably get some orders pretty quickly. So that is it for this week's tutorial. I hope you guys like this one. I cannot wait to see pictures of your take on this design in our free Facebook group this week. Your homework assignment is to make this and then post a picture of yours in our group so we can all see each other's designs, be inspired by the changes that you guys make to them, and also encourage one another along our balloon journeys. Clip art for this is also available in the store as well. If you're a member of the Twisterhood or you have access to our clip art vault, then you get access to all the clip art for free. So just head over to the vault and pick up the new clip art design for this if you want to put it on your menu. We just released a whole pumpkin full of brand new Halloween clip art last week. Our members posted some of their favorite Halloween line work designs, and we took some of the top rated and some of our favorite pictures from our members' contributions and turned all of them into clip art. And so all of those new clip art images are available inside of my clip art vault. We have like over 600 unique images in there now. It's crazy. So if you need to set up a menu for any type of event, any sort of a theme, we've probably got something in there to help you out. If you're wondering how you can get access to my clip art vault, there's a link down below this video. You can find out more information about that. And don't forget to check out the Twister Sister Studios online store. As you can see, I'm in a very colorful leopard mood lately. So we're making some new merch, some new designs, some new jewelry, necklaces, earrings, keychains, other fun stuff is coming. So just head on over. I'll put a link down below this video as well where you can get right to a page where you see all the brand new stuff right up top. So you can see the newest, latest, and greatest designs to be added to our shop and get yourself something new and fun and bright and festive for the new year. All right, I will see you guys again next week for another Tutorial Tuesday. Until then, we'll be in the group sharing photos of our work. So see you all over there. Happy twisting, everyone. Bye-bye.